Hey everyone, this is John Rollins. Take a look at this 2008 Toyota Tundra SR5 that I have here today. Beautiful black in color, lift kit, oversized tires. It's a double cab with a 6.5 foot bed, factory tow package. It's got mayhem wheels, Toyo open country tires, sliding rear window. It's got tow mirrors on it, tinted windows with the rain visors. Just a sharp, good looking truck. Fog lights, tow hooks. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. The truck has a black and gray interior. It's got all your full power options: power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You got a power driver's seat. Gray cloth interior. You've got front buckets, so you've got the front center console, tilt wheel, factory brake controller. This truck has 120,086 miles, runs out, drives great. It's got the big 5.7 liter motor, CD player, climate control, four-wheel drive switches right here. You do have the auxiliary input for your phone. Ton of storage here and inside the console. And it does have the overhead console as well. The rear seats are in good shape, just like the fronts. The seats do lift up. Gives you almost a completely flat floor in the rear. Get the nice Toyota TRD floor mats. Here's a look at your dash. These are an 18-inch mayhem wheel with a 35/1250 R18 Toyo open country MT tire. This truck was traded into us here locally. This is just a nice clean double cab. It's already lifted, it's already all done up, so the truck looks great. You don't really have to put the money into lifting it yourself. It's got the big motor, it's got the 5.7 in it, and it's got some nice options on the inside as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 5.7 liter iForce V8. It's all stock as far as the engine goes, engine, transmission. There's no tune on the truck, there's no exhaust. Motor sounds 100%, very nice, no noises, no rattles. Just an awesome truck. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing and I do take trades. Thank you.